Per Inside EVs, Tesla faces a challenging year with significant strategy shifts and mass layoffs. The once planned affordable $25,000 electric vehicle is no longer in focus, replaced by Elon Musk's robotaxi concept. Tesla's first quarter sales plummeted, and the company is cutting jobs across the globe, including in the US, China, and Germany. In the US, at least 140 engineers are among those laid off, primarily in the San Francisco Bay Area and Austin, Texas. Meanwhile, over 10% of Tesla China's sales team are losing their jobs, with a smaller number of layoffs at Gigafactory Shanghai. In Germany, reports suggest 3,000 out of 12,000 workers have been fired, although Tesla Germany disputes these figures. With Tesla's global workforce estimated at 140,000, a 10% reduction implies around 14,000 job cuts. This downturn marks a significant shift for Tesla, which had experienced 4 years of aggressive growth. You are listening to Yuan News.